AcneLXR Premium Kit, 30-day supply, the best acne treatment system that you will ever try. And I know you're here because the other treatments that you've tried have not worked for you. This is different, and let me tell you why. Every product that you have tried has been under the philosophy that your skin is overproducing oil and it's getting clogged to the pores, creating pimples, and the overproduction of oil is caused by either stressful situations or hormonal fluctuations. And their philosophy is to dry out that oil in order to get the pimples to go away, which sounds right until you back up and look at the big picture of how the skin responds when you do that. And the skin responds by overproducing even more oil to fight the dryness, which is why I know you've seen that these products have worked for a time and then they've come back even stronger. The problem, the acne, and that is not okay. It's great for them because it keeps you buying their products because you keep having acne. It's not great for you because it doesn't clear your skin. And what you will get with this, the difference is that we don't say, hey, let's dry out the skin. We say, how do we speed up the body's natural process of healing acne? Because you know the body clears a pimple because you don't have a pimple there and it's there for the rest of your life. It does go away, but it tends to go away in about 2 weeks, and we don't want it to go away in 2 weeks. No one wants to walk around with the same pimple for 2 weeks. So how do we speed up the body's natural process of healing it? The same way if you get sunburn, you'll put aloe on to speed up the body's natural process of healing the skin. And we do that through vitamins, minerals, essential oils, amino acids, anti-inflammatories, antioxidants. It's really amazing. So this has 3 products inside of it, starting with the CleanseLXR. This is our rose hip foaming cleanser, the most gentle cleanser that you will ever try. And I know you've tried a whole bunch of them and each one's left you dry, it's left you flaky, it's left you red, inflamed. This will not do that, yet it's strong enough to clean the dead skin cells, to remove the dirt, the grime, the excess oils, and also, ladies, it's even strong enough to remove your makeup. Use it as your makeup remover, yet it's gentle enough to where you can remove your eye makeup without getting any problems there. Step 2, you'll put that on, you'll wash it off, and then you'll spray with our ToneLXR. This is our seaweed extract toner, unbelievable for softening the skin, conditioning the skin, shrinking the pore size, because no one wants big pores. We want that small, tight pores that make our skin look completely smooth and restore the pH of the skin. All in one. It's a mister, so all you have to do is mist your face and you let it absorb in. That is a cool feature that I absolutely love. That's step 2, let it absorb into the skin. Then you are going to use the magic formula, the AcneLXR spot treatment. This is what is clearing the acne. The step 1 and 2 is to clean it, to prevent future breakouts. This is to clear it, and this will take out the inflammation, it'll take out the redness, and it does it by combining the anti-inflammatory benefits of salicylic acid, which is basically the same ingredient as aspirin. You know that's anti-inflammatory, but I've combined it with the vitamins, the minerals, the essential oils, the amino acids, the antioxidants of things that will nourish and beautify the skin. So you have the hand in hand. You're taking out the inflammation and you're beautifying the skin to get the fastest results that you have ever seen with anything you've tried without fighting the body, but helping the body. Get it today. It will blow you away. I know you won't be disappointed.